my memories of the event is at some point after takeoff or upon takeoff, I can't tell you which, but we knew something was wrong. Matt and I looked at each other, and he got on that intercom and asked Pat if we were okay. And we didn't hear an answer. And I was sitting in the left seat. I could see how hard Pat was working. And Matt and I looked back at each other and just cinched down our belts and hung on. I don't remember anything else about that. My first memory was, it was like someone dumped a 5-gallon bucket of cold liquid right over my shoulders. And maybe that's what woke me up. I don't know. It felt like this big gush of fluid over me. And then there's fire. And I had to get out. And I didn't know where I was. I didn't know. I didn't know where I was. I didn't know what was going on really. It was just fire. And I was able to, I guess, push the door off me and start running. I didn't know I was running to. I didn't know where anything was. I was just going. I took in a couple of big breaths of smoke and flame. I remember a guy yelling at me to get down on the ground and roll. And I remember being next, I guess I rolled down a hill, and here's this poor guy just throwing dirt over me, trying to get the fire out. And the guys from the ER came up, just threw me on a backboard. I told them not even to strap me down, just threw me on the backboard, and they ran into the ER. And I didn't know where I was. I thought I was in a completely different spot. And he ran for a long time, or they ran for a long time. And I could tell how hard they were working. And they got me into the ER. I knew I was in bad shape. As they were taking me in, I told them they were going to have to intubate me. Because I knew I took in that much smoke and flame. You know, starting to feel things at that point. I had my hands up in front of me as I was on the backboard, and I could just see the skin sloughing off my hands. Got me in the ER. They were desperately searching for an IV so they could sedate me to intubate me. I was burned so bad, they were really struggling to find a spot. And they eventually got the IV. I asked him to give me as much ketamine as they had. Before they did, I looked up at the nurse, one of the nurses, and I said, "Tell Amanda I love her." I didn't know what was going to happen. I knew I was in trouble. It was blocked for 5.5 months. That's all I know about that day.